Empty and clean the drip tray when the red level indicator rises from the metal grid. Wash the grid and tray in warm soapy water. Rinse and dry fully. Wipe the rear storage tray with a soft, damp cloth. Avoid abrasive cleaners to prevent scratches. Unlock and empty the bean hopper. Then run the grinder empty to clear residual grounds. Remove the hopper. Take out the top burr and thoroughly brush clean the top burr, lower burr, and powder chute. Then reassemble all parts and lock the hopper back in place. Turn off the machine. Use the cleaning pin to unclog the tip holes. For stubborn blockages, remove the tip. Soak in hot water, unclog, then reattach. Empty the used coffee grounds from the portafilter and rinse it clean. Use the cleaning pin to clear holes. Wipe the group head interior and shower screen with a damp cloth to remove coffee grounds. Finally, run a short water flow with an empty portafilter to flush residual coffee.